Anyways, lapha ngihamba khona maningi amahwiphi. So guys, welcome to the first episode of Amahwiphi. This is Amahwiphi season 1 episode 1. So yeah, Amahwiphi, as you can see. So guys, hey, I've been posting on YouTube for a very long time, and thank you guys for supporting me. So in this episode, Sabiza Chai is City Crash. So uzithi ngezinto into yanziba nzima mpijana I to look for umngani wami Blue Rose Night. You guys know him, president wamahwiphi. You guys know him. So ngisekazi lapha and safia kwesakhe, and then ngimbuza ukuthi City Crash ule crash yini lo gela mfunayo, ngizambuza lo gela mfunayo, ngimsethele up I date, and then if they get along lo gela ngikhona, then it's a win for him. If they don't, then whippy. You know how it is. So yeah, ngilo Blue lapha. So yeah, kuzachaza guys, kuzachaza. Yeah, maningi amahwiphi. So I'll be doing this I'll be posting 2 times a week, and then every episode is different. Like episode 2, we're doing the Mbanyisela. So ngiyafika kasi ngisidinga umjito cha famous wokujonja, then sikhulume la simbuzo ukuthi uyinokwamenza wabayilaba. Anyways, lapha ngihamba khona maningi
maningi amahwiphi ngaphala ngapha kukhala amahwiphi izinkalakatha uphetha amahwiphi kuduma umbane kuduma amahwiphi ngidose ngempama ngidose ngehwiphi lapha ngihamba khona maningi amahwiphi ngaphala ngapha kukhala amahwiphi izinkalakatha uphetha amahwiphi sokudosa ngempama ngidose ngehwiphi.
Yeah, anyways guys, amahwiphi uphela namhlanje bani?
Some like a Blue Rose Night, yes.
Blue Rose Night on TikTok.
Yeah.
So, welcome to the episode 1.
Episode 1, boy.
Ngoyivula nje.
Sayivula
amahwiphi president.
Yeah, president. Yeah.
So, today we send.
Namhla kaqwa formal.
So, today we're doing City Crash. So, is there any girl in the city oyakumbone wake wamfuna or
Lepo yahlupha le izangishayisa but there's this one hand, bruh. Yes boy, I got it. Bruh, I met this hand. I was in CPT.
Yeah,
I don't know what I was doing in town that day. Yeah, then I saw the sun, bruh. I was mesmerized, boy.
Oh, bro.
Come on, my body is killing. Mesmerized, bruh.
Like what's umbona, and then what came to your mind? I'm approach at one point. Ish, that's a nice girl. Then I'm cheer ham. You know, as guys, and sometimes there's the fear of approaching women is real. But I'll forever be a victim. That's the part. That's the
obviously. I was talking about I posted a phone shy. Then I remembered, no, man. They shall always approach.
They shall always approach.
Yeah, actually.
Like that's. I think that's the rule number 1. Which okay, like ngambona ufuna bra. Ungambona ehaba awusamboni futhi.
If you want.
If you want.
Can you know where if you want, boy?
And
then nanga diseva. Diseva boy.
Diseva.
Yeah. So yeah. She's not boy, yellow bone man.
Was she friendly? You know, girls can be intimidating.
She was friendly, but she was okay.
She was okay.
Yeah, she was okay. I liked your character actually.
Okay.
Yeah. Well.
Wait, alright. So in numbers of start, did you talk to her after that, or you never talked to her?
Nah, I'm still talking to her. Yeah, here and there.
Here and there.
Yeah, numbers I can ask both. Obvious.
So it's ngafonela engaba cool with it.
Asizame boy. Indoda ifizamile.
So here's the thing, engavuma, I'll sponsor your date. Yeah, maybe City KFC nyana or Zwana, yes sir.
We will do.
Alright.
So songani yazazi ngikhanda inamba zakhe.
Yeah, inamba zakhe. Bra, I have one advice for amachita ne. If you see a girl that you like in the city ne, ungamkhuta awumboni futhi awusuzambona futhi So okay, that's our viewers. We call them mama viewers. Okay. Asoze ngazibiza mphose ngazibiza beza ade beza kudlela gelo. Chingelo profile. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, scene 2. Okay. So are we? Let's up.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Yes, hello. Ukhuluma lo Vuyo. Hashtag uMahwibi.
Vuyo.
Yes. Awungazi. No, awungazi. Are you busy?
Not really.
Not really. All right. So mfubuza ukuthi yamazi umfana othiwa nguLawrence. Wakhatha bro, what the fuck happened? Bro, we're talking no French. You said this girl was French, chill. What's going on, bro? It's kind of okay.
I completely wanted to
Okay, fuck.
Sorry, you have insufficient credit to
But
make
that's
this call.
Joke lapho she's for laba bra. She's yeah, yamahwipi.
It's a bomb.
Yeah, that's why sithi maningi amahwipi. Episode 1 sibili bra.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello?
Yebo, bensithi yamazi uBlue.
Blue.
Yeah. Uthi wahlala la eTown.
Man.
Yeah. So bengifuna ukuthi bengilaye lapha uthi he likes you ne, but wesaba ukutshela and befuna lihambe out on a date.
I-date enjani le?
Yeah, i-date le ngiyabe ngithi sponsor comfortable around ama camera.
I'm not guy. Maybe.
That's a maybe. All right. So I will sponsor your date, and then you guys will go out on a date. Ufrinin, so we can work with your schedule.
Today is okay. Wednesday. I'm telling you something. Wednesday. Your Wednesday is okay. So yeah, we'll sponsor your date, and then you guys will order anything that you funa, and then you guys work things out. So hamba ngawe ne. So sautia nge Wednesday ne. Alright, it's okay.
It's okay. All right. Thanks, then.
Okay.
All right. You seem friendly. Yes, sir.
What's up, boy?
Yes, sir.
Win.
Yeah, those are.
Straight win. Yeah.
Bro, usle confidence ngene bro.
I check confidence started the shit. 10-0. Yeah.
All right. So guys, catch us on episode 2. Blue sehamba lo. What's the name?
Tongue Carol.
All right, can you describe this Carol and who's with and baby particular my boy?
Light skinned, petite. Something like my type.
Something like your type.
Like what party day.
Yeah.
All right.
Alright.
I'm going quite important.
So that's your type. Alright. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Just subscribe and like the video, share it. Then we'll post episode 2 soon. Yeah. Anyways, lapha ngihamba khona maningi ama
with that boy wow ngilobungozi